second year of the Quail motorcycle event. Today we are leaving. So this year the program will be a little bit different actually. So today we're actually going to hotel. We're gonna check in tomorrow. I'm participating on the Quail ride, and actually they also plan to go on Laguna Seca, just for the short ride. This is pretty awesome, and it's gonna be 100-mile coast ride. So I'm super excited about that. And then on Saturday we have the normal Quail motorcycle show. Super pumped about this weekend, and so we're leaving now, and I see you guys over there. Guys, good morning. So we are leaving for the Quail ride today. Today is Friday, May 3rd. So we will have two stops. So the first stop is the winery, and the second stop is the Laguna Seca. Okay, let's see how it goes. Pretty awesome group. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys around then. So this one's mine. So I think they were two groups, and I probably will be in the second group. So it will be my first time on Laguna Seca on the motorcycle. I mean, I did a couple of times with my car, but motorcycle is first time. So I'm probably gonna be in the slower group, so to get to understand track. Alright, guys, let's go. Alright, so we're done with the ride. So my legs are hurting so bad, so you definitely like need to exercise a little bit more. Like this part here, it's just so bad. I'm not sure like why does it hurt so much, but I guess it's the first time I took this bike like for the really long ride, and it's actually pretty uncomfortable. Alright, so now we're gonna clean up the bike and we're gonna place it on the lot. Alright, let's do it. It's time to bring the bike to the lot, so I'm just gonna leave it there overnight, and tomorrow morning I just go and enjoy the show, so I don't need to worry about in the morning. So last year I drove, I think like I left my house at 5 a.m. in the morning and got here like around 6:30, which was like a little bit too early, I would say, and like the whole day was just like super tired. And the coolest part, like actually this year, that we actually stay in this hotel. Alright guys, see you there.
You want a flat of water?
Alright guys, I made it to the lot. Let's secure the bike on the stand.
It's 90. If that gets caught in the wind, it's going down.
Alright, it's on the stand.
Like the dude, like messaged me. He's
So actually it's pretty cool to film right now because like not so many people here, but a lot of noise. So maybe I can show you guys a couple cool bikes which we actually delivered today on Friday. Alright, let's do it. And this is guy how you properly deliver the bike. Let me show you, it's super funny. I think it was actually Randy Pops. Pretty sure he was. I was just too loud. I was gonna come back tomorrow and show you guys everything around, okay? Alright, see you tomorrow in the morning. I'm gonna take a golf cart ride back to hotel. Super cool service here.